Have you ever wondered if it's possible to turn your dreams into reality through manifestation and visualization? Perhaps you've heard about the potential of these techniques, but the key to achieving effective results lies in applying them correctly. It's like following a secret recipe. If you make mistakes, the final dish won't have the same flavor. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you. In my previous videos, I've shared detailed information on how to become a master in the art of manifestation and visualization. If you're eager to transform your desires into reality, I invite you to review those videos, as they serve as a step-by-step guide on the journey of creating the life you desire. In this video, I'll share with you the technique introduced by Neville Goddard, known as I am the reality. Many people don't realize that they have the power to transform their desires into reality through effective visualization. So, focus on my words for the next few minutes, and I guarantee that this technique will change the way you create your life. According to Neville Goddard, the key to manifesting your desires lies in visualizing them as if they were already real. Often, we make the mistake of associating visualization only with imagining our desires, such as having money or success. But visualization goes beyond that. Life is like a game with its own rules and regulations, and knowing how to play that game is crucial. You are the creator, a universe within yourself. Human imagination is the creative force behind everything that exists. Think about it. Before becoming reality, everything that has come into this world first arose in someone's mind. The phenomena of life are produced by imagination. We use this power every day, but we can consciously harness it to create a life in accordance with our desires. To visualize effectively, we need to understand Neville Goddard's fundamental rule, having a clear objective. Visualization is not very different from prayer. When we pray, we hope to transform our subjective reality into an objective one. But in visualization, we go a step further. We feel the emotions, the texture, the desire as if it were real. We live in the future and experience the spiritual sensation. But how do we do it? How do we feel that sensation and visualize a reality that hasn't yet occurred? This is where Neville Goddard's technique of assuming reality comes into play. Imagine that you desire money. Feel the texture of a bill in your hand, experience the emotions associated with having it. You can feel the smoothness of a silk fabric or the rough texture of a tennis ball without physically touching them, just by thinking about them. Your imagination allows you to explore a whole world of sensations, even those you've never experienced before. When you evoke sounds, like a bird singing or your friends laughing, you can almost hear them in your mind. Our imagination is our secret superpower for discerning things and understanding the world from a new perspective. To attract what you desire into your life and transform your longings into reality, you need to use this superpower of imagination. Start by affecting your mind. Take some deep breaths, enter a state of serenity, and relax in a comfortable place. Once you've reached a state of mental tranquility, imagine the things you want in life. It could be money, a promotion, a dream car, whatever you desire. Visualize that you already have it, feel the emotions associated with it. If you want money, imagine that you have a bill in your hands. Feel the texture, the smell, the emotions of joy you would experience having it in real life. Believe in the universe, believe that what you're visualizing now is real. The challenging part of visualization is assuming that whatever you desire, what you're imagining now, is right in front of you. It's as if you're time traveling, bringing tomorrow into the present. You live as your future self, enjoying those dream vacations or whatever you long for, and you do it right now. It's about feeling and believing that what you desire is already real and you're experiencing it in the present. When you materialize the images from your imagination, they have the power to manifest in the concrete world. Mental attitude is crucial in this process. The law of attraction is a fundamental principle that governs the manifestation process. It states that what you focus your energy and attention on, whether positive or negative, is what you attract into your life. When you align your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your desires, you send a clear signal to the universe of what you want to manifest. The universe, in turn, responds by bringing into your reality experiences and circumstances that match that vibration. To harness the law of attraction in your manifestation process, it's essential to cultivate a positive mindset and focus on what you desire, rather than what you lack. Practice gratitude for the blessings present in your life, as this attracts more abundance. Visualize your goals with clarity and detail, involving all your senses. Feel the emotions associated with already having what you desire, as if it were your current reality. The more vivid and convincing your visualizations are, the more powerful the signal you send to the universe. Additionally, take actions aligned with your desires. Act as if you were already the person you've visualized, with confidence and conviction. When your actions support your intentions, you accelerate the manifestation process. Remember that the law of attraction doesn't discriminate between positive and negative thoughts. It attracts to you what you consistently focus on. Therefore, it's crucial to be aware of your thought patterns and deliberately choose to focus on what you desire, rather than on your fears or limitations. By aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your desires, and by harnessing the power of visualization, you become a magnet for the experiences and circumstances you long for. The law of attraction is a powerful tool for manifesting the life of your dreams. One of the biggest obstacles in the path of effective manifestation is mental blocks and limiting beliefs. These are ingrained ideas and thought patterns that keep us trapped in a reality of scarcity and limitation. Some common examples of limiting beliefs include, "I'm not good enough," "money is hard to come by," "I don't deserve abundance," or "changes are dangerous." These beliefs often originate from past experiences, social conditioning, or messages received during childhood. To manifest your desires, it's essential to identify and challenge these limiting beliefs. Start by being aware of your habitual thought patterns. Observe the thoughts that arise in your mind, especially those that make you feel limited or unworthy. When you identify a limiting belief, question it. Ask yourself, is this really true, or what evidence do I have to support this belief? Often, you'll discover that these beliefs have no foundation and are simply ideas you've accepted without questioning. Next, replace those limiting beliefs with positive and empowering affirmations. For example, instead of "I'm not good enough," say "I am valuable and deserve abundance." Instead of "money is hard to come by," affirm "money flows to me with ease and grace." Repeat these positive affirmations daily, especially during your visualization sessions. The more you focus on these empowering beliefs, the more they will begin to take root in your subconscious and transform your reality. Additionally, surround yourself with people and resources that support your new abundance mindset. Read books, listen to podcasts, and seek mentors who inspire you and help you maintain a positive perspective. Remember that overcoming mental blocks and limiting beliefs is a gradual process. Be patient and compassionate with yourself as you navigate this journey of transformation. Celebrate every small advance and trust that you're on the right path towards manifesting your desires. As you release limiting beliefs and adopt an abundance mindset, you become more receptive to positive opportunities and experiences. Your energy vibrates at a higher frequency, attracting circumstances aligned with your desires. The key lies in assuming and feeling that what we desire is already real, experiencing it in the present through our imagination. By involving all our senses and feeling the emotions associated with having what we long for, we send a powerful signal to the universe to manifest in our concrete reality. We also explore the law of attraction and how to align our thoughts, emotions, and actions with our desires to attract positive experiences. We learn the importance of overcoming mental blocks and limiting beliefs, replacing them with empowering affirmations and an abundance mindset. You have a superpower within you, your imagination. You are the creator of your reality and have the power to change your life according to your desires. Visualization and manifestation are powerful tools for connecting with the universe and making your dreams a reality. So believe in the power you carry within, have faith in the process, and maintain your focus on the reality you wish to create. With practice and persistence, you'll see how your visualizations come to life and your desires manifest in your reality. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to like it and subscribe to my channel for more inspiring content. Share this message with those who need to hear it, and together, we can create a community of abundance and transformation. You are the architect of your destiny. You have the power to create the life of your dreams. So visualize with clarity, feel with intensity, and trust that the universe is guiding you towards the manifestation of your deepest desires. Your abundance is waiting for you. As we conclude this journey into the world of manifestation and visualization, it's important to emphasize that these techniques are not just about wishful thinking or daydreaming. They are powerful tools that, when used correctly and consistently, can significantly impact your life and help you achieve your goals. Lastly, remember that manifestation is not just about personal gain. As you become more skilled in this practice, consider how you can use this power to benefit others and contribute positively to the world. The most fulfilling manifestations are often those that align with your higher purpose and bring joy not just to you, but to those around you. In conclusion, manifestation and visualization are powerful tools for creating the life you desire. By understanding and applying the principles we've discussed, clear visualization, emotional alignment, belief in the process, overcoming limiting beliefs, and taking inspired action, you can tap into the infinite potential of the universe and bring your dreams into reality. Remember, you are a co-creator with the universe. Your thoughts, emotions, and actions have the power to shape your reality. Use this power wisely and consciously. Visualize with clarity, feel with intensity, act with purpose, and trust in the process. The universe is ready to support you in manifesting your deepest desires. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of manifestation and visualization. I hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and practical techniques to apply in your own life. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content on personal growth and spiritual development. Until next time, keep visualizing, keep believing, and keep manifesting. Your dream life is waiting for you to create it. Embrace your power as a creator and step confidently into the abundant future that awaits you. Remember, the universe is always listening, always responding, and always working in your favor. Trust in this process, and watch as your life transforms in beautiful and unexpected ways.